Hey, it's Gary again. We're going to do a quick video on troubleshooting of this generator here. It was running, I gassed it up, and then when I started it up it ran for a little bit and then she stalled out and she wouldn't restart. So I'm suspecting there's probably some water in the fuel, so we're going to start there, and if that's not it, then we'll dig into like the ignition system, or I don't think there's anything wrong mechanically with it. But yeah, we'll start with the fuel. So let me just show you how to do that. Take the cover off first, 4 screws. Now, carburetor is over here. That might be a drain. Let's see. Yep. Let's try to get a little something to catch this gas in. Oh yeah. Oh, we zoom in on that a little bit. I don't know if you can see that, but there's definitely a layer of water in there. So the whole fix for this is just going to be to drain that out until we get straight gas, and then this thing should fire right up. So we'll just let this run until all the water is done coming out of it. It's like we're getting straight gas now. Just gonna tilt it. Try to get the last little bit out the bottom. Yep, straight gas. Alright, now it should start up and work. Alright, still doesn't want to start, so we're going to have to go and check the spark plug. It's possible there could be water on the plug. No water, but the plug is dry. We'll try priming the cylinder with a little gas. Just going to get a little gas out of here. Okay, still nothing. Probably going to have to open up the carburetor bowl now, see what's going on inside there. Try a 10mm wrench. Yep, it's a 10. A little bit of water still in there. Don't want to lose that. I think we're going to get the air compressor. We'll blow out the passages and these jets, and then we'll put it back together. Right over here, this passage here, and then down under here, there's a little bit of sludge in it from the water that could be blocking it. So we'll blow it out, put the bowl back on, and then we'll try it again. Alright, so I found a little piece of crud in the main jet, which I cleaned out, put it back in, put the carburetor bowl back on, tightened it back up, and we'll see if she works. So that was the whole problem. A little water got in there, a little bit of junk when I refueled it, caused it not to run. Just take it apart, clean it up, put it back together, and it's running again.